Did you know that if you don't use your HSA or FSA funds before the end of the year, you could lose them? I'm Dr. Brandy Archie, occupational therapist and founder at askSAMIE, where we make life easier at home when you're aging or have a disability. And we do that with expert tested equipment. So today I'm breaking down how to use your HSA or FSA cards on adaptive equipment and why now is the perfect time to do it. Okay, so first things first, what are these cards and why do they matter? So your HSA, which is Health Savings Account, and FSA, which is a flexible spending account, are pre-tax accounts set up to help you pay for medical expenses, things like copays and prescriptions and, yes, adaptive equipment. The key difference is that HSA funds often roll over each year, but many FSA funds do not. So that means if you still have money left in your FSA, there's a good chance it disappears when the new year starts. Many people don't realize how much these funds actually cover. So here are just a few items that you can buy at askSAMIE.com using your HSA or your FSA card. You get shower chairs and toilet risers so you have safe bathroom transfers, automatic pill dispensers to manage medications, mobility aids like canes, rollators, and transfer boards, hearing assistance devices, blood pressure monitors, and home safety products. And because our entire shop is vetted by occupational therapists, you can feel confident that you're spending those funds on tools that are both eligible and effective, because that's the most important thing. So using your card at askSAMIE is really simple. When you check out, just enter your HSA or FSA debit card numbers the same way you'd use a regular card. If the item qualifies, it'll process right away. And if for some reason it doesn't, you can still use your personal card and submit the receipt to your benefits provider for reimbursement. And a pro tip, make sure you're always saving your receipts, because most providers will ask for documentation showing that the purchase was actually medically necessary. And since all of our items are adaptive tools, that's usually a pretty easy approval. And if you need our help to do that, just give us a call. The end of the year is a great time to shop for adaptive equipment, and you can make your home safer for the holidays and put your remaining benefits to good use. At askSAMIE, every product in our shop is reviewed and approved by occupational therapists because we believe home safety and independence should be accessible to everyone. So before those FSA dollars vanish, visit askSAMIE.com, explore our OT-approved shop, and use your HSA or FSA card to make your home safer today, because you shouldn't lose your benefits and you shouldn't lose your peace of mind.